Well, we just passed Furnace Creek on our way to Death Valley. Well, it says Death Valley National Park, but I thought we needed to go a little bit further. And you know, sometimes it takes you longer to get from point A to B because of stuff like this. I've got my trusty co-pilot here. You gonna come with me up there? You gonna go up there with me? Huh? Okay, he said he wanted to go up there, so that's it. I tell you, this little boy is gonna wear me out. We made it! Woo! So that's what it is, borax mining. That's what it looks like out here. Mine for borax with a mule train years ago in the 1800s. Zabriskie Point is where we're at. Look at that over there. Time to keep going. Let's go. Come on, steer that puppy. Hey, slow down. Again? Okay, just a minute. Come on! Push Mickey! Push him! Concentrate! Oh! Well, blow me down. We just went through Death Valley. I misread the sign. It said Death Valley 107. I thought we had to go 107 miles to Death Valley, then go from through Death Valley to Las Vegas. But we just hit the end of Death Valley, and now we're going towards Las Vegas, and it said 88 miles to go.